Hello students, today we will study about protein secondary structure, that is the secondary structure of protein. Yesterday I have discussed about primary structure, now we will discuss about secondary structure. So here we will basically study about alpha helix, this one is alpha helix, and beta plated sheet, this one is beta plated sheet. So here in secondary structure is the arrangement of amino acid in space. That is how the atoms present inside amino acid are arranged in the peptide bond. So how their configuration are arranged, we will study in secondary structure. So here the primary structure gets folded to form the secondary structure. And this secondary structure, apart from having the peptide bond, they also have hydrogen bond. And due to the hydrogen bond, the amino acid, see here, the hydrogen bond is present in between. So due to this hydrogen bond, the amino acid come more closer to each other and they get folded, and as a result, folding occurs, leading to the formation of secondary structure. So in secondary structure, we will discuss about alpha helix and beta plated sheets. An alpha helix is a spiral structure, and depending on the contour of the polypeptide backbone, can have a right-handed orientation or a left-handed orientation. So the alpha helix is more similar to like spiral or spring, you can say. It is the structure of spring. It is similar to that. Another one, the other secondary structure element known as beta plate, is a sheet-like structure. So beta plate is like a sheet wherein two or more sections of polypeptide strand come together. And these two, both alpha helix and beta plate, are stabilized by hydrogen bond. So here in secondary structure you will find hydrogen bonds. Secondary structure, see the definition. It is a local, regularly occurring structure in proteins and is mainly formed through hydrogen bond between the backbone atoms. And this secondary structure, two scientists, Pauling and Corey, they studied this secondary structure of protein and they proposed two configurations, that is alpha helix and beta sheet. So this two configuration was proposed by scientists Pauling and Corey. So let us discuss one by one. The first one, alpha helix. It is a right-handed spiral structure. And in some, you can find left-handed spiral structure also. The side change, that is the R group, it is extend outward. Now this alpha helix is stabilized by hydrogen bond that are arranged such that the polypeptide carboxyl and the amino hydrogen group. So what happens? This alpha helix, as I said, it is more or similar like the spiral or the spring, you can say. Here the amino acid, they come closer due to the intermolecular hydrogen bond, because of the hydrogen bond that is present. And in this alpha helix, the carboxyl of one amino acid is bounded to amino of the another amino acid with the hydrogen bond. And where we can find this alpha helix? Alpha helix is seen in alpha keratin. And keratin, these are found in skin and its appendages such as hair, nails, etc. So you can find alpha helix in keratin, and keratins are present in our skin, hair and nails, etc. So here you can see these two scientists, Pauling and Corey, they found that the polypeptide chain with planar peptide bond would form a right-handed helical structure by simple twist from alpha carbon to the nitrogen and alpha carbon to the carbonyl group bond. This helical is the alpha helix. You can see here the two arrangement. This is the right-handed helix. Here the rotation will be towards the right side. And this is left-handed helix. The rotation is towards the left side. The second one is the beta plated sheet. So here the structure is more or similar like a sheet. The structure is similar to a sheet. It is formed, the beta sheet is formed when two or more polypeptide, they lined up side by side. So here you can see two or more polypeptide, they are lined up, they are arranged side by side. Here one polypeptide, next polypeptide here. So these are arranged in a sheet-like structure. And they are also stabilized by a hydrogen bond between nitrogen and hydrogen, between the NH group and the carbonyl group of the adjacent chain. And this hydrogen bond is formed between two different polypeptide or the same polypeptide. So these are the two different types or configuration of secondary structure of protein, that is alpha helix and the beta plated sheet.